Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I remain Timitope Odenka. Today I'll be talking about something very important to all businesses, especially startups and SMEs, and this is intellectual property. What is intellectual property? Intellectual property is the creation of your mind. It can be musical works, literary works, it can be a book, it can be your music, it can be a symbol, it can be your design. I mean, it is endless, and it's necessary that you protect it, because if you have a business, your intellectual property is an asset and is valuable to that business. I mean, when you want to start your business or you think of an idea, you probably don't have capital, you don't have a place where you're running that business, you don't have anything, but one thing I am certain you have is the idea, which is your intellectual property. That's why you need to protect it. In order for you to protect it, you need to know what category that your unique ideas fall into. So I'll be telling you intellectual property falls into 4 different categories. The first I'll be talking about is patent. Patent is mostly used for machines, is used for new procedures. So for instance, if someone discovers how to make a car engine that can run on water, that can be patented, and any car manufacturing company that needs to use it is going to either license it from him or buy it off the person. Patent in Nigeria is for 20 years from the date of filing. Trademark also is used for, you can trademark your brand name, your brand logo, I mean your brand, any catchy phrase, you know, that is unique to your brand, it can be trademarked. And when you trademark in Nigeria, it is protected for 10 years from the date of filing, and you can always renew indefinitely. Copyright is for music, is for literary works. If you're an author and you write a book, if you're a movie director and you shoot a movie, you can copyright it. And when you copyright it, the good part of it is the copyright is for the lifetime of the author. So if you live for 100 years till you die, it continues to be protected. But that's not even the best part. The best part is that even your offspring will continue to benefit from that copyright, because it will continue to protect it 70 years after your death. So the final one is industrial design. Industrial design is that you need aesthetically pleasing products. I mean, some days ago I came across a Samsung phone, and when I saw it, the design was just so beautiful, and I wasn't too surprised that no other phone brand has imitated it. And that's because I am certain that Samsung has done the right thing by protecting their intellectual property to that product. So why should you, as an SME or a startup or even any business, protect your intellectual property? One, it gives you a competitive advantage. I mean, you are launching into the market. Before you even launch and people have opportunity to try to imitate or do a variation of, or even steal your idea, you've protected it, and you're able to ensure or get the full benefit of the idea. Number 2, it attracts investors. Investors are always happy when your intellectual property is protected. It shows that you're in for the long run, you're in for the long game, you have foresight. And also when they are trying to know what the worth of your business is, let's say your physical capital is about $50,000, your intellectual property is almost unquantifiable. So that is another reason. The third one is it helps you generate revenue. I mean, I spoke about leasing, selling, you know, even when people infringe on it, you can also get damages. So that's also another reason why you should always protect your intellectual property. How should you protect it? The moment you have this idea, it's necessary that you search and ensure that that idea is actually unique to you. Nobody is doing that, nobody is perpetrating that idea yet. You should also know that nobody has registered such an idea and is really unique. Once you are sure that nobody has registered it, this idea is yours and yours alone, then you immediately obtain the services of a business lawyer like myself to help you with the registration. And once you're done with the registration, it's necessary that you are vigilant. You have to have an eagle eye to ensure that nobody is trying to steal your idea. And once they do, you have no problem. All you need to do is call up your lawyer to send them a cease and desist letter so that they will stop infringing on your rights. If they refuse to stop, not to worry. It means all you need to do is go to court, and when you get to court, you're definitely going to be giving damages for the infringement that has happened. So definitely, I know that from this you already know how important intellectual property is to your business. It is a valuable, very valuable asset. There are a lot of founders and business owners that became multi-millionaires, not because they had the capital for their business, not because they had anything, but because they had the intellectual property, the unique ideas, and they had the foresight to protect it before other people started to imitate it, or someone else went to protect it before them. If you launch your idea without protecting it, and someone else goes to protect it before you, you will cry, you will scream, you will tell the world how you were the first to get the idea, but most of the time there's almost nothing you can do. So it's better that you're proactive. So thanks for watching. Till I come your way again next time, please subscribe if you've not subscribed. Click the link, the notification button, so you know whenever I drop another video on this channel. And comment. Yes, I love feedback. I want to know what your thoughts on what I've just spoken about, and I look forward to chatting with you again next time. Bye.